Can I get a... Oh yeah. Man, I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to start right now. December, January, February, March, April, May. 6 months since I last posted a vid, bro. Am I bugging? Or what? Am I bugging, bro? I apologize. I've been really busy with work, side work, all types of work. Your boy is finally a licensed electrician. Let me get, a round of applause. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, we're making a little extra money. Yeah, I've been busy. I'm back in the gym, I'm not gonna say 100% because I'll be lacking here and there sometimes, but 90% of the time, or 80%, 70%, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, and honestly, I don't have any content. I don't want to bore you guys. I try to do that story time thing, but I didn't really get a lot of love or views. So that kind of just, kills my mood. So if you guys remember my last setup, it was a staggered setup, and with all-wheel drive, to have a staggered setup, you need to have basically the height of both wheels have to be like the same height. So when your all-wheel drive, rotates, everything rotates at the same time. Because if the front rotates faster than the rears, it kind of fucks up your all-wheel drive, and that's not good. Like the car was driving like absolute shit. So I had to rebuild my rear wheels. Unfortunately, I went from an 8-inch to a 6.5-inch. Pause. I'm talking about the lips of the wheels. Okay, I'm talking about the lips of the wheels. I had to do that so all my wheels could be squared and the car could drive normal. And now I have a 50 mil spacer, which is like 2 inches, and it's a tech fit. So for today's video, what I'm gonna do today, I bought a 30 mil spacer, and I'm gonna throw that on, and I might take out some camber. So check this out. You see this? This is the definition of fitment right here. Like nothing fits right there. Nothing. It looks dope, but I just need it. I feel like I need it to tuck. I'm gonna just have the wheels tucked and less camber. Because if I air out all the way, I'm gonna destroy these wide body K or flares, whatever you want to call it. You see this? Sheesh. So I got these 30 mils from Z1 Motorsports. Came in like two days, so super fast shipping. So if you guys remember, I had some 8-inch lips. Now I got 6-inch, 6.5, but it still looks valid. It still looks good. What do you guys think? So you can see the difference. This is the 50 mil versus the 30 mil. Jesus, it's like almost half the size. So hopefully my fitment is not that weak. If it is, then we're gonna have problems. So you see, it's almost there, but I feel like it could be a little better. But it's not bad. It's kind of, I don't know how I feel about it. You see that? You know what? I think I'm gonna just leave it like this, because right here is tight. So if I stick it out a little bit more, I know I'm gonna be rubbing right here. Because right now the top of the wheel is hitting the back of the wide body right here. So you know what, I'll just leave it. Fuck it. Alright, so I'm gonna take it for a little, you know, spin around the block-ish. I need an alignment still, so I don't wanna go crazy. I hate when you go on a little test drive and you hear all types of fucking noises that you don't wanna hear. Like the tires, they're too meaty. So every time if I go for like a full turn, if I go for a full turn, it rubs, everything like fucking rubs. So annoying. Car drives way better with the square setup, even though it feels a little wonky right now because I need an alignment. And I can notice that my toes of the rear wheels are off. So I drove around. I definitely need the alignment. I might throw in some clips of me like when I was rebuilding the wheels. It was actually my first time rebuilding wheels. It wasn't bad, but it was kind of annoying to do it by yourself. Like torquing that on wheels by yourself is difficult. I might do a new trunk setup, so that might be a new video. If you guys want to see that, comment below. I'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the building. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.